Yeah, hello. My name is Sarah Lynch. I am the office manager at Typhoon Hil, and our company is in Boston, but right now we're at the APEC conference, which is an IEEE conference, and we're here to show our product and to introduce some new features that our product has.
So APEC is the Applied Power Electronics Conference, and it's one of the biggest power electronics conferences in the IEEE, that is the Institute of Electrical and Electronics Engineers. So we have a lot of industrial specialists in all areas of applied electronics, from power conversion to transformation to power management, all sorts of electronics and electrical engineering areas. So all of them converge here, and they want to, sell themselves, their products or their concepts to potential clients, who can be students, who can be other professionals, or who can be faculty, that is teachers in universities. Yeah, so I really feel, it's very exciting to be here. It's a wonderful atmosphere. It's so vibrant, and everyone seems highly motivated to demonstrate their next great thing. So yeah.
Yeah, Typhoon was founded in 2008, and since then a lot of things have changed. We started with a small simulator called Hil 400, and now we're already working on 602 and 603 and 604. And yeah, the whole company developed out of MIT and ABB.
Hi, I am Murilo Almeida. I'm a power systems engineer at Typhoon Hil, and this company is impressive. Our product is like really nice. We're showing Power Electronics Society and always now Power Systems a new way of testing their controllers, and we really believe that this is the future for the field. So it's very exciting to work in a company like that where we have like many challenges during our works, and we are always struggling ourselves to give our best to satisfy the customer needs. So yeah, Typhoon Hil, I think it's here to change the game, change the field of power electronics and power systems testing. And I'm very glad to be here participating in all this history that the company is making.
Hello, my name is Edwin Fonque. So I am an intern for Typhoon, and I work in the area of power electronics and applications. So I've been interning for a few months now, and I'm doing a PhD right now at MIT. In my research interests are in the areas of power electronics, modeling, and power systems. So I would like to see how we can develop ways of identifying models of different systems in a microgrid.
Hi, I'm Ryan with Typhoon Hil. I'm here at the Typhoon booth with our engineering team and Dr. Chuk, and we are focused today on really showcasing our capabilities to our audience at APEC. And what we have today is we're showing off some demos on microgrids and power electronics inverters, and Dr. Chuk is showing off his new capabilities with the Chuk converter. So APEC is an event focused on power electronics, specifically focused on showcasing new technologies to new engineers and really providing them with the best tools to do their job. We really want to focus on providing them with the tools to do these things, so specifically when it comes to hardware-in-the-loop systems. And with Typhoon, we offer a fully integrated solution to be able to run your real-time simulations for your controllers. So I've worked with Typhoon for 3 months, so pretty new to it. I actually come from a background heavy National Instruments and D-Space, so it's a little bit of change for me, and the power electronics is very new, coming from a systems level, but it's very interesting to see the technologies that are available at this conference and at this booth. So The Typhoon Hil is a integrated hardware and software platform that is provided as a tool to engineers for rapid control prototype development and for testing, specifically hardware in the loop testing. So focused on firmware control algorithms, specifically for power electronics and microgrids. So we work with engineers to develop RCP systems and test systems to really test out their firmware of these controllers, so there's no unexpected situations and they can be comfortable bringing their products to market. So our current customers are heavily focused on power electronics. So these are solar inverter manufacturers, these are battery storage manufacturers, inverter controller manufacturers specifically. We have a couple microgrid controller, supervisory controller manufacturers. And we're starting to move towards more systems level architecture, hardware in the loop systems as well. This setup is our Typhoon Hil Control Center. So what we have here is our Typhoon software, which is an integrated platform that's designed from the ground up specifically to work with the Typhoon hardware. What we have here is just a breakout board to interface with these off-the-shelf TI DSP cards. Both of these are off-the-shelf from TI, which we have found that most of our customers use these for their rapid control prototype development of their controllers. So the customer code will be located on these where they run their control algorithms and they really do their test, and we provide the interface to give them simulation to the physical world. So we're simulating all of the electrical components and all the signal processing on this box.
I am a professor at University of Colorado Boulder, and I do work in power electronics. I mostly work in high frequency power electronics, but all sorts of power electronics is of interest to me. I am looking forward to using this product, but I have not used it yet. But I saw a little bit of the demo. It seemed very interesting. I am sure it's a wonderful product. So this event by itself is one of the major events for power electronics, and so this is where all the new stuff gets displayed, and you find out about what's coming down the road. So it's a very important event. I think it's probably it's certainly the largest power electronics conference in the US, and probably the most important one also. So.